People are always like, oh, you have a Belgian Malinois, how do you make sure he gets enough exercise? And something that helps is he has appointed himself manager of our cleaning staff, and our cleaning staff is me and a little robot vacuum. He likes to follow around the vacuum and hype it up, make sure it's doing its job. I'm going to show you a video. What you doing? What you doing? Do you want to play with the vacuum?